back to another interesting tutorial about Google Trends tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to use Google Trends for a successful YouTube video. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in Google Trends, enter, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the first result right here, Google Trends, and it's going to open up like so. Now, there are so many ways by which you can use Google Trends for a successful YouTube video. You can either use this for a trending one. So for that, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and if you want to use Google Trends for trending YouTube video, you want to go viral in a few minutes after you upload the video on your YouTube channel. What you need to do is to make sure you navigate to trending now right here. And under the trending now, it's going to take you right here and tell you the available trending and searchable keyword in these sections right here. But one thing here is that you have to filter and narrow down to YouTube video. So for that, you can as well change the country as the case may be. So for instance, if I decide to click on the location right here and I try to search for United States right here, and I decide to click on the United States as a keyword right here. So here we go. We have some of the trending topic and the searchable keyword right here, just like what you see from the update by Google right here. Now, one thing here is that this is trending in the last 24 hours. Let's say, for instance, we want to use one of the keyword right here for a YouTube video. We want to make sure that let's, for instance, this first one right here, which is actually trending right now, and it's asked about 110K plus trending in the last 10 hours. We can simply click on hashtag or trending, and we make sure we choose active only. That is, we want to be sure that some of these keywords here are actually active and trending. Now we want to narrow this down for a YouTube video only. So for that, to have it select on this one right here, we want to make sure we simply click on it, and then we want to make sure we come to the sidebar right here. We want to be sure and click on Explore tab right here. And then once we click on Explore tab, it's going to take us to the Explore tab right here. Okay, so you can see the location is still United States, and then the last 24 hours right here. So what we want to do is to narrow down to YouTube video. We want to make sure we come to the web search right here, and then we switch to YouTube search right here. In a few seconds, we are going to see the result. And then this is to tell you that people are currently watching videos about this particular keyword right here on YouTube. You can see the trending graph right here. So you can scroll down and see where those traffics are coming from, such as the top query and rising. So the more you scroll down, the more you see some of the relevant keywords right here. So this is the keywords that is actually breakthrough right here. So you can go ahead and do more research about this particular keyword. So for that, we want to make sure we copy and then we highlight and press Ctrl+C to copy, and then we create a new tab. So we want to make sure we go to YouTube platform and check out how the previous creator are able to create a video about this particular keyword before we go ahead and set our camera and create something similar. So for that, we want to come to the search right here on YouTube platform and press Ctrl+V to paste, then go ahead and hit enter. Then you can see there are a lot of different results right here based on this particular keyword. So you can see in the 7 hours ago, this has about 183,000 views. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the information about this particular keywords right here. Now you take note of one thing in the search bar right here. So when you paste the keyword right here, you have some of the similar suggested keyword. This is to tell you that quite a lot number of people are actually searching for this particular video right now on YouTube. So you can go ahead and create a light about this particular keyword. You can create you can create information about full game. You can make a past research about this. People are live stream on this, reaction on this, and today on this. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the relevant keywords as far as this is concerned on YouTube. Just like so. Let's go back to our Explore tab right here and then pick on one of the breakthrough right here. So this is the breakthrough right here. If I highlight, I copy, and then I come back to YouTube search right here and I paste just like so. You can see a lot of people are searching for this particular keywords right now on YouTube. You can see So if I press enter on my keyboard, you'll find out that this particular keyword here has a lot of views right here. So you can see the last 7 hours, and this is 9 hours ago. The more you scroll down, the more you see relevant keyword, relevant search, and so it's able to just like so. So this is the live update, and then so it's that simple. So you can use this method to narrow down any type of keyword topics as far as this is concerned, and use it to create a YouTube video in your niche. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to grow successful on YouTube using Google Trends, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.